Number 89 in the Jazz Violin Series of 100. We're getting there. Sit-in situation is another point. Maybe I've kind of touched on these things in other videos. Your attitude. When you sit in, is it the place to go in and just blow them away and rip roar and not even care? You're only going to be there for a tune. Who cares? Just let it rip. Maybe. Or is it time to be a team player and be a little more humble and fit in with them? You know? It depends on the situation. You have to follow your gut and what the creative mind is telling you to do. Probably it's a little both. You should be humble and be part of their group and know that they're giving you an opportunity to play, and it's a gift to be able to play and be part of playing with someone else in that moment. That's wonderful. Be humble about that is my advice. But also, don't be a meek mouse and sitting in the background the whole time. Step up when it's your turn to step up within those bounds. You don't have to be an arrogant jerk and play over the top of everybody else and play too much and take too many solos, this kind of thing. Be respectful, and don't be afraid. And this confidence and this humility will be mixed, and that will make you a desirable player to play with in a future sense. So go in there and find your balance. Don't be too shy. Kick butt, kick ass when it's time to kick ass, and set back, but still be part of the tune, part of the band, part of the scene, part of the vibe, and you'll be well liked and loved in your community.